The first thing you want to do is lie down and line up your thumbs with the center of your chest. So go ahead and lie down. Lie down nice and comfortable. Thumbs are lined up with the center of the chest. Drop your shoulders down. Elbows lined up also with the center of your chest. Lift your feet up. Plant your knees in the floor. Now, when you push up, one plane of motion from your knee, your hip, your shoulders are going to move up. Your butt's not going to point out or down. I want you to keep your abs nice and tight. If your wrists hurt, you can also do a fist grip. So go ahead and make a fist grip. So it's up to you to decide which one feels better, the fist grip or the regular palm. Hip, knee, shoulder are all lined up in one motion. He's not moving up and down. His abs are nice and tight, so this works your core as well. Look at his shoulders also. When he's pushing, they're not popping out. Or he's not bending forward. His chest is out, real strong, so he's going to get it work nice and effectively.